Pharero Academy, the learning channel for physics and mathematics. Please subscribe, like, and share our channel. I have to finding an equation when its roots are related to a given equation. We have to find an equation when an equation is given, and I will use the substitution method. Another lecture, next video, I will use another method. But actually speaking, in Cambridge A-level further maths, that's the substitution method, so you should rely basically on this method, but I will give another method also. He says find a cubic equation whose roots are squares of the roots of the equation x cubed minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. I say let alpha, beta and gamma be the roots of this equation. If alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of equation, I can say x is equal to alpha, x is equal to beta, x is equal to gamma. Where alpha, beta, gamma can be different, but x is equal to these, there must be. Now let alpha square, beta square and gamma square be the roots of required equation. Suppose I want to find required equation in terms of y, so I will say y is equal to alpha square, y is equal to beta square and y is equal to gamma square. So I can say y is equal to general alpha is also x because it was given x in x, so I say y is equal to x square, y is equal to x square here also, and y is equal to x square. And all these I get same, so I can use the substitution method here. So y is equal to x square, so x must be equal to root y. Now I'll place just x is equal to root y in this equation and find the required equation. This is x cubed, so I will say it is root y whole cubed minus 6, this is root y whole square, plus 11, and this is root y minus 6 is equal to 0. Root y means y power 1 upon 2 and 3, this becomes y power 3 over 2 minus, this is root y square means 6y just, and plus 11 y power 1 over 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation, but it's not a polynomial equation. I have to go for the polynomial equation. So whatever the powers in fraction I will put together, I will say y power 3 over 2 minus y this is plus 11y power 1 over 2, and I'll transform this is minus 6y will transform here as 6y minus 6 here becomes plus 6. Now square both sides, because I see if I square these, 3 over 2 and 1 over 2 can cancel, so I'll say y 3 over 2 plus 11y 1 over 2 whole square is equal to 6y plus 6 whole square. So now if y 3 over 2, I take it, suppose square of this y 3 over 2 whole square becomes, it becomes y cubed. Here there's a rough thing, so y cubed plus product of these 2 and twice. The 11 twice is 22, and if they multiply y 3 over 2 and y 1 over 2, the powers will add, so 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 becomes 4 over 2 or 2. So I say it's 20y square. And plus this 11 is 121, y power 1 upon 2 is y. Must be equal to square of 6y is 36y square. Plus product of these 2 and twice, plus this will be 72y. And plus 36 is equal to 0. I will transform all these here. So this becomes y cubed plus 22y square plus 121y minus 36y squared minus 72y minus 36 is equal to 0. This is y cubed plus 22y square minus 36y square becomes what? Minus it is 14y square. 120y plus minus 72y. 121 and 72 minus, it is 49. It is what? Plus 49y minus 36 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation. This should be the answer. Thank you very much.